How to fix TikTok photo swipe not working. Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you step by step that how you can fix the problem if your TikTok photo swipe option is not working. So let's dive in. First, open your TikTok app and then click this profile icon on the bottom right corner and then click these three lines on the top right corner. Now choose settings and privacy, and here you have to scroll down until you find this option of free up space and click it. And now you have to clear the cache data over here and then clear on the pop-up. Now go back and go to your app store on your phones, and then you have to search for TikTok app over here. And now it's going to bring you to this page, and open the TikTok app and update it. Once you update the app, it's going to fix the problem, and that's the process that you can follow to fix the photo swipe option not working on TikTok. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.